Mullen made a new all-time low yesterday. I mean, this is a daily thing. It seems like Mullen just keeps making new all-time lows for the last couple months. It's like every single week we make a new all-time low. You can see it's right here. And it was at 17.2. So we have been making videos about what's the worst case scenario for Mullen. I remember a month ago, based off of Fibonacci retracement, it looked like it was 17 cents. A lot of people were calling 17 cents. You can go on Twitter, everyone was saying 17 cents, 17 cents. Well, yesterday we hit 17.2, so basically 17 cents. But then once we hit this area, you could see we rallied a little bit above 18 cents. We came back down, made a higher low, and now we're rallying again. And in pre-market, we're actually green right now. You can see above me, Mullen Automotive is at 18.35 in pre-market, which is up almost 1%. I mean, it's nothing, but we're still green. We're making those higher lows from the bottom of 17.2 yesterday. So the question is 17 really the bottom, or are we going down to 13, 14 cents, which I made in a video yesterday or the day before? If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go ahead and watch that video. What also is concerning is this is saying non-compliant on Robinhood. So if anyone knows exactly what that means, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a like on this video. I would always appreciate that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. But this is just the game with Mullen, right? It's been happening every single week. People on Twitter are calling like a squeeze is supposed to happen Monday, and then they said, oh, it's happening Tuesday, and it didn't happen Tuesday. And now they're saying 3 more days. So again, it's a big question mark right now. Really what I'm looking at is Randy Marion. Is any updates on class 1 deliveries? That would be very productive, very positive for the stock and for the company, in my own opinion, because when you produce a product, a vehicle, and then you deliver that product, that vehicle, the next thing that comes is revenue. And Randy Marion has already given revenue for the class 3, about 10 of them. So class 1 would be very profitable. It would be a lot easier to sell those. I even spoke with Brad and he said class 1 will make a lot more money because there's a bunch of them and they can move faster and businesses are gonna want them more than the class 3. Also keep in mind, guys, we are literally 30 days away from the meeting with Mullen Automotive to talk about the 3rd reverse stock split. And we're trading at 18 cents. If they keep us around here and we just keep bouncing around for a whole month, which is possible, especially if they don't drop any news and they just keep doing what they're doing, then they're gonna do 100-for-1 split. I don't trust David, I don't trust the board, and it's reminding me a lot of MCOM. If you've been, Hellbiz was the old name, if you've been a part of that stock and you've seen what's been going on. I mean, it's trading at like 2 cents right now, and they after a 1-for-50 reverse stock split. Well, Mullen has already done a bunch of reverse stock splits. This is also reminding me of TTOO, which did a 100-for-1 reverse stock split, and then it crashed like 60% the next week, okay? So again, they do 100-for-1, let's just say at 18 cents, that's gonna put us at $18. For sure, this thing will crash even more once that reverse stock split happens. So again, you gotta do what you're feeling. You gotta trust your gut at the end of the day. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell, but this is just where we're at with Mullen Automotive, and it's very, very unfortunate. And I hope for positive things with this company. I hope they can turn this thing around. But with their track record this last year, they're really good at painting the picture. They're really good at getting partners and making deals happen and selling vehicles, it seems like. But now is the final step with the production and the revenue. And hopefully the warrants are done. Hopefully the toxic lending is done forever. Hopefully the dilution is actually done, like David stated in his interview that was posted on YouTube, that there would be no more dilution in 2023. But what that tells me is the 3rd reverse stock split is going to happen. They're going to dilute again at the end of the year or into 2024. And then maybe 2024, we see some nice rallies. Now, the whole market was green yesterday. It was a great day if you were holding any other stock outside of Mullen, basically. So congrats to everyone out there that is winning, that your portfolio is looking good. We'll see what happens today. We're looking at some other stocks. If you want to learn more about what stocks we're trading and join the community, you can join for $7 a month. The link is down below. Just click on Patreon and we'll see you in there. Don't forget to drop a like and we'll see you on the next one.